Hello guys, today I will try the Kali Linux for the first time. If you don't know what Kali Linux is, it's a Linux operating system built for pen testing. So I'm on their website and they have different options. I'm going to try it directly from a virtual machine. So I already downloaded this one and there are a lot of options, for example, installing directly on your system or using a live boot USB. That's a good one if you are on the go and you don't want to replace your system. Okay, anyway, let's try to run it using VirtualBox. I think the settings are fine as the default, as they are made by the maintainers of Linux, so they should be fine. Now it's importing. It's going to take a while. Also, in the next video, we are going to review another alternative to Kali Linux. So make sure to subscribe to see that when it comes out and turn on notifications so you see it faster. Anyway, I will cut the rest of the importing process. Okay, actually it's going a lot faster than I thought, so I don't know if there is any cutting needed. Okay, so it's imported. Here we have the username and password for this. Let's start it. Let's take a look at the tools they have. So username Kali, password Kali, and we are in. I think this is using the environment. So there's a lot of tools they offer. For example, you could check if the password you are using was on one of the biggest password lists, which is called RACU. And as you can see, there are a lot of passwords in here which you should not be using. If you are using them, you should change your passwords and use a password manager for that. And there are a lot of tools. I don't know what most of them do, but if you are into this kind of thing, Kali Linux is a good start. Yeah, and you can just get started using a virtual machine. No need for anything fancy. So they have them categorized here also. For example, you could use this for Barb Studio for a man-in-the-middle attack. Okay, that's a little better. And there are more tools for man-in-the-middle attack. I recommend this one. It's a Python script and it's very easy to use. I like how they created this list, but most of them are just CLI tools. Yeah, so that's the overview. Make sure to like and subscribe for the other alternative to it, where we'll take a look to an alternative to Kali Linux, which has almost the same tool set. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.